Welcome back to episode 3 of our Algo Trading series. If you've been following along, you already know what Algo Trading is and which platforms to use. Today, I'll show you how to create your very first trading bot step by step without writing a single line of code. In episode 1, we covered what Algo Trading is. In episode 2, we looked at the best no-code platforms. Now, it's time to put it all together. For this demo, I'll use Pionex for its simplicity. But the steps are similar on other platforms. A trading bot is just a set of rules. Let's start with a super simple one. If the price goes down by 2%, buy. If it goes up by 2%, sell. Now, let's build it. First, choose your market, like Bitcoin, USDT. Second, select a grid bot. Third, enter your rules. Finally, set your budget, but wait before going live. Always backtest your strategy to see how it would have performed in the past when you're ready. Start with a very small amount of real money. And that's it. You've built your first bot. In episode 4, we'll dive deeper into backtesting. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and let me know in the comments, what bot are you building first?